quarter, let's go. Let's go, Torres. Okay, fourth quarter. Torres, wala. Texon to Merchant using the glass, no good. Rebound by Texon, wala. Paulino. Rep. Excuse lang, rep. Thank you. Oy. Kuya rep. Take out. That's a traveling violation. Texon. There we go. Enzo. Pass to Paulino. Basket. Magnus Paulino. Uy. Hindi ka na magawan. Ay na, 8 seconds. Nakitawid. Number 30. There is a foul. Number 14, Enzo Yao. Eight minutes and 34 seconds. Number 25, no good. Offensive rebound. Number 25, basket. Tadeo. Steal. Uy. Sayang. Ay lang yan, boss. Pass number 53. Spin. Number 25. No good. Wala pa rin. Ay na. There's a foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 54 seconds. On the free throw area, jersey number 97. First shot is good. Second shot, wala. Rebound by Paulino. Paulino to Torres. Pass to Merchant. Pass to Torres. Oh, sorry, that's Texon, but there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 16, Texon. Wala. Get the shot para kay Texon. 44-27. Number 6. Oh! There's a foul. Number 8. Pope Torres. Oh! Steal! Sayang. Ayan na. Oh, wala. Nagagawan. Poblador. Ayan na si Poblador. Crossover, but there's a foul. Side step para kay Texon. Ay, sorry, that's Pope Torres. 46-27. Number 52. Number 5. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Chua. Pass to Andres. To Merchant. Merchant. Oh, there's a foul. Shooting in the line in jersey number 3 at Merchant. Oh, wala. Second shot para kay Merchant. Basket. No basket. Bola ng mga nakaputi. Ayun lang po. Number 0, top of the key. Wala. Number 13. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Merchant. Pass to Torres. Torres. Outlet pass. Steal by number 0. Number 0. Running shot. No good. Rebound by number 0. Wala pa rin. Torres. Pass to Texon. Texon. Basket. 48-27. Number 52. Running shot. No good. Foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 59 seconds. Master Merchant. Merchant! Whoa! What a nice layup by Merchant. Ayun na si number 1. Crossover. There's a foul, number 3. Substitution. Legarda coming in and go. Shooting on the line, jersey number 13. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. Correction. 50-29. Pass to Poblador. Uy, good. Go. What an extra pass. Texon. Basket. Sorry, that's a Chua. And on double team. Bad pass. Savior. Go. Still. Number 11. All the way. Wala. Wala pa rin. Number 13. Yes. Para sa 3. 2 points lang daw po. Sabi natin official. Number 21, no good. Number 5. Pass number 13, and there's a foul. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. On the free throw area, jersey number 13. Basket. To 33. Andres. On the free throw area, jersey number 5 for OLPS. Basket. Foul para sa Xavier. Xavier's under penalty situation, or both teams under penalty situation. Shooting the line, jersey number 13. First shot is good. Wala. Same ball. Gets that shot, no good. Number 9. Yeah, no good. Gets the shot. Wala. Penalty. Two shots para jersey number 30. Rebound by Chua. Ko. Pass to Hernandez. Pinasa corner. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Legarda. And there's a foul. Let's go, Legarda. Sa mga apoyan ni Sir Ben. At ano ni Idol Bien Legarda on the free throw area, jersey number 9. Swak na swak. Ayan, shoutout po kay Sir Ben is watching para supportahan ang kanyang apo, ang future star sa larangan ng basketball. Oh, sayang, di masok ulit. At there's a foul once again, a jersey number 9, Legarda. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. First shot para kay Legarda. Oh, no good. Second shot para kay Legarda. Let's go. Oh, no good. Rebound ng OLPS. Number 25, wala. Rebound. Step back 3. Oh! Get the foul. Grabe, 3 points para kay number 13 for 4-point play. Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds. Basket. Hernandez. Pass to Legarda. Legarda spin. No good. Rebound by number 25. Number 13 and 1. Tumahabol ang OLPS. Ayan na, isa pa. Bam! Baba sa 10 ang kalamangan ng ating savior. Time remaining, last 52 seconds. Hernandez, steal. Number 25. Basket. Baba, single digit ang kalamangan. Yaw. Go. Pass to Legarda. What an extra pass. And there's a foul. Chua. On the free throw area, jersey number 21, Chua. Time remaining, last 27 seconds. Basket para Chua. Second shot para Chua, 2 for 2. Timeout. OLPH. Or OLPS, rather. Balik sa 10 ang ating kalamangan. 55-45. Game. Wala na ang LPS. Last 87 seconds tayo. Number 0. Number 13 for 3. No good. Xavier School basketball. Time remaining, last 13 seconds. Yao to Chua, pass to Yao to Ko, and that's a foul, a pushing foul, number 1. 2 shots para jersey number 11, Ko. Let's go, Ko. First shot, no good. Time remaining po natin is 4.1 seconds remaining. Oh, wala. It's a shot. That's a block. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from both team. Congratulations and a nice game para sa OLPS. At ating winning team, congratulations to our Xavier School. Our final score of 55-45. Alright, maraming salamat po, especially to all the parents of a Xavier School for inviting me here dito sa ating St. Stephen High School, ating venue, Manila. Okay, magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next game. Hanggang sa muli. And good night. Good night, hapon pala. Hanggang sa muli, and God bless everyone. This is your the 2015 Xavier School basketball. Maraming pong salamat.